Model 2016 Peugeot Expert L2 Diesel 1200 2.0 HDi 130h1 van. Body white, panel. Van mileage 74,335 MOT. The 26th of October 2023. Engine 1997 cc DW10 CDC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Very slightly underpowered injector number 1 needs replacing, engine and the rest is fine, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £6,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.